At Kroger, our most urgent priority throughout the pandemic continues to be the safety of our associates and customers. For some time, our associates have been wearing masks, as have the majority of our customers. This week, we moved to require that customers wear masks in all of our store locations unless they are unable to due to a medical condition. The CDC has stated that wearing facial coverings, combined with social distancing and frequent hand washing, is a proven method to further reduce the spread of COVID-19. We're asking our customers to join us to protect each other and maintain a safer shopping environment for all. When you shop with us, you will see prominent updated signage at our entrances and hear new in-store audio messaging reminding you to wear a mask. We also have alternative ways to shop using pickup or delivery. In addition to masks, we continue to use our store systems to monitor and limit the number of people in our stores to allow for physical distancing and ensure proper cleaning procedures are followed. We've installed plastic partitions at our check stands as well as other locations throughout the store. In fact, in all, we have made more than 30 policy and process changes to protect our associates and customers. I want to thank all of our associates who work hard to provide the freshest food and products that our customers need. We are committed to supporting your safety and well-being. Our purpose is to feed the human spirit, and each of you spends so much of your time taking care of those around you, from our customers to your family and friends. It's also important to take care of yourself, both physically and mentally, and I encourage you to use all the benefits we offer. I am so proud of our associates and how they have continued to adapt and work hard to keep our customers and each other safe. Thank you to our associates. Thank you to our customers for working together to continue to provide a safe environment for everyone. Be well, be safe, be kind to each other, and thank you for shopping with us.